Hi guys, welcome to the next tutorial on cascading style sheet. Today we will learn about some more styles in CSS. So first of all, right click on my desktop, go to new text document. Give it a name CSS-03, open it in Notepad. Now let's start with our first heading, that is HTML. And inside this HTML, inside your head section, we are going to explain about our CSS. So give it a tag style, and inside the style tag we are going to explain about this paragraph. Let's say I'm going to make it P. P stands for paragraph. uh, I want to make my paragraph into the center. Give it text align colon center followed by semicolon. Give it a color of your own choice. Let's say I'm giving it green with a colon semicolon. Now let's see what it will affect, how it will affect our web page. So and your style tag here. Now let's move to the body section. Inside the body section I'm going to write 2 to 3 lines. Let's say I'm going to write in heading 1. I'm going to give it a class name. You can give it any name. Let's say I'm giving it a name class center, and going to write inside this heading 1. This heading will not be affected by H1. Now let's move to heading number 2. Class equals to center, and going to write about this heading, you can see, will be will not be affected, and close this paragraph tag with a slash sign. So this heading 2 will not be affected by my style sheet. And now I'm going to discuss about the paragraph which is affected by this style sheet. So I will write p class equals to center, and we'll write this paragraph will be green and aligned to center, aligned in center, and close the paragraph tag. Now close the body section first, and then the HTML. Now let's see what is the output of this whole code. I'll go to file and click on save as, and save it as uh, css.html. save the file, and here is the final output. So the third line is in center and is of green color. That's all about today's tutorial. Thank you for watching Nelson Darwin Tech, and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.